How to build technology for Mars colonization. What if the blueprint for humanity's next civilization isn't on Earth, but 140 million miles away? The race to colonize Mars is on, and building the right technology isn't just a challenge, it's the key to survival on an alien world. Colonizing Mars requires more than rockets. It demands a complete ecosystem of breakthrough technology designed to support human life in extreme conditions. From life support to construction, here's how we begin building for the Red Planet. Step 1. Habitat engineering. Mars has no breathable air, sub-zero temperatures, and high radiation. We'll need pressurized habitats, shielded with Martian regolith or advanced materials like aerogels. These must be modular, easily deployable, and sustainable long-term. Step 2. Life support systems. Closed-loop systems are essential, recycling air, water, and waste continuously. NASA is developing compact systems that mimic Earth's biosphere, integrating hydroponics to grow food while producing oxygen. Step 3. Energy infrastructure. Solar panels are useful, but Martian dust storms can block light for weeks. Reliable power will come from small, modular nuclear reactors and robust energy storage systems, ensuring constant energy flow. Step 4. Robotics and AI. Autonomous robots will do the heavy lifting, constructing habitats, mining ice, laying cables, and scouting terrain. AI will manage resources, monitor health systems, and troubleshoot failures in real time. Step 5. In situ resource utilization using local materials is key. Martian soil can be turned into bricks, and atmospheric CO2 can be converted into oxygen and fuel. This reduces the need to transport supplies from Earth. Mars won't be conquered by flags, it'll be built by technology. Want more on space innovation and deep tech? Like, comment, and subscribe to stay on the frontier of the future.